this is Dorothy with That's Scrapbooking, and I got both of my subscriptions. This is for the scrapbooking, and I also got the card subscription. So I am going to unbox this and see what we have. So this starts our September, October, November, and December months. So let me take these out of here, put the box over here. So we've got, here's September, and this is, get the shiny bag out of the way so you can see. These are the backgrounds for September. Let me come down a little bit. For September. So we get two-page layouts. I have a hard time getting that out. So here's the first layout and the second layout. I love all the horses there. So this subscription is to make life easy for you. So this is making life easy. We've got backgrounds for photos cut. We've got photo placement holders so you know what size photos to put in place. We've got a sheet of stickers, nice thick stickers, nothing flimsy. And we've got a bunch of die cuts. So this is done a little bit different. So it's numbered here 1 and 2. So these are for the second layout, and these are the number 1s are for the first layout. So they've made a couple of little changes. And here's the background. It's going to be like that. So that's the one background, and here is the second background. So let me just flip this over. And this is going to, okay, this is the first layout. So it's like that. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh my, very, very pretty. And so there's the first and the second. So these are just going to be super easy to do. You'll be able to make both layouts probably in 30 minutes or so. And then of course you get page protectors, and then you can just pop your layouts right into your album. So just doesn't get any simpler than that. And then you put your pictures on there, and you start a bunch of layouts. So this is gonna be super, super simple for you. So that was September. Here's October. So of course, it says September and October, but you know that you can use them for whatever. You know that, right? Doesn't have to be. But this is kind of a disciplined way of promising yourself you're going to put your pictures to use instead of just keeping them in your camera. And so whatever you take in September, you can use for the September pages. And for October, here's the October layouts. So, pretty neutral backgrounds that you can use a lot of colors for a lot of different kinds of pictures. So once again, we've got our stickers labeled for the first layout and the second layout. And you're always going to get your photo placeholders, just to remind you of what size to put in what place. Once again, you can totally do your own thing and put in more or less, or bigger or smaller. It's all up to you, but we give you a place to start. So here's, once again, these are the die cuts that are super easy to pop out. No struggling, no ripping of your pieces. And then you've got your backgrounds. These are pre-printed backgrounds to make life super easy for you. So this is the here's the second page layout that goes like this. You can also turn that around if you want, but that's how they suggest. And then the first page layout. So here's our color backgrounds for the photos. See, I mean, you don't even need a paper cutter for this. So this is going to go, let's see, like this. Just like that. So really, I mean, pretty neutral colors that can go with so much. So there we go for October. Now, getting the layout, so I get this by the year, and they come every, you get 3 deliveries of 4 layouts. So that's your 12 layout, 12 packages. So it's altogether 24 layouts, which is going to make a nice size album. So you'll have an album if you do this with a little bit of discipline. So you're putting your pictures in as you take them. Then you will have a nice album at the end of the year, and you haven't worked terrifically hard. Okay, so here's November, and here's our layouts for November. These are beautiful. Love the colors. Stickers with pumpkins and all sorts of pretty fall flowers. And our die cuts, our photo placeholders. And this says best things about memories is making them. And some nice little titles. And the titles can go with so much. So, once again, it's kind of built in, ready to go for you. Because beautiful, beautiful blessings, or, beautiful, and you've got some fall things which were coming into fall. And so the best things about memories is making them. I mean, that goes for any of your pictures. So here's the second layout too, and that's how that goes. And then the big title goes right here. And here's the first layout. Here's our photo mats, and you have a photo mat with journaling here. And here is the second layout that goes like this. Like this. Very neutral, colorful, but also neutral. So it'll go well. It won't conflict with your pictures. There's nothing too busy here to interfere with your pictures, because sometimes you can, I can do it myself. Sometimes I get a little wild with putting things together and you end up with kind of a busy background. And so this is, this allows your pictures to stand out and just enhance them. And there's a lot to be said for that. So that's November. And then, of course, here comes, sorry about that, just knocking my camera all around. So here comes December. Remember, each month you get page protectors with these. So you don't even have to buy page protectors from us. So all you need is an album. We do sell albums too. We sell postbound and D-ring albums. So here are the 2 layouts. Once again, I am looking at very neutral, very easy to put all different kinds of pictures with these. And here's our die cuts. So we have Season of Love and Laughter, Home, probably for the holidays, and poinsettias. Can't beat poinsettias. I love poinsettias. And here's Holidays. So it's home for the holidays. And the holidays goes, let's see. So this is the second layout. And it is going to be like this. So it's going to be home for the holidays. So that's going to be a nice dark background for the white holidays to stick out on. And then we've got, here's our backgrounds for the first layout. This is very, very neutral. In fact, this color, I was just looking at Sherwin-Williams paint email, and this is like the color of the year. It's called Evergreen Fog or something. So once again, very, very neutral, goes with a lot, very soothing looking. So those are all of our layouts for this, the fall going into the Christmas season. Let me put these away, and then I will show you a quick look at the cards. So here's my card box. Dropping stuff. And here are all the cards that are coming with this set. So we have Happy Holidays, Thinking of You, 'Tis the Season, Best Wishes. So you get a good jump here on your Christmas cards. Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, and Happy Birthdays, and a thanks and a sympathy, couple of thanks, and best wishes, and thinking of you, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holiday cards times 2, so that's 12 holiday cards. And you get these really, let me take this out of these plastic bags are put off so much shine. So here are the, I need a darker background. Here are these stamps that come with this card set. So it says, very best wishes to you, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Thinking of You, Happy Holidays, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, thank you, Happy Birthday, deepest sympathy, have a holly jolly holiday, 'tis the season, Happy Holidays and thanks. So you got your things covered for this season here. And here are the cute cards. So here's card 1. My camera's doing funny things. And card 2 and card 3 and 4. Goodness gracious. 5, 6, 7, 8 through 12. So you get a stamp block for your stamp, for the stamp set. You get a little ink pad, and you get envelopes and pre-printed card backgrounds, and then you get stickers and die cuts to go with all your different cards. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but just to kind of give you an idea of the card backgrounds, we have a nice candy stripe and pretty snowflakes. That's beautiful. And a nice watercolor wash look. And a snow scene with the little houses. Some blank. Some watercolor wash. So some backgrounds, I like the dotted backgrounds for all of the, well, these are easy. Those are all set to go. And here's all of our die cuts and stickers. So, I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that for making cards. So I'm going to put all of this back in. So you can, once again, all you need is adhesive, and because you've got your ink, and you've got your block, and you've got your stamp set. So really all you need, you don't even need a pair of scissors, you just need some adhesive. And let's see, make sure that I think adhesive, either the roller kind that's flat, or if you want to add some dimension, you can use foam dots. So there's the card subscription. So this is just a quickie unboxing of both of our subscriptions. And I don't know what is the matter with my poor camera. For the subscription for cards and the subscription for scrapbooking. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.